Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed app on Weebly. This is a fantastic way to showcase your social media content directly on your website, keeping your visitors engaged and connected to your brand across platforms. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Go ahead and click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list of sites. Once you've selected the right one, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your website where all the customization happens at the top menu of the editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. This is important because it's where you'll access all the building blocks and elements you need to construct your pages. Before we move forward, there's one crucial thing you need to have ready: your embedded code for your Instagram feed. This code is what will actually display your Instagram content on your site, so make sure you've already generated it from your Instagram feed app. Once you've confirmed you have your embedded code ready, head back to Weebly on the left side menu. You'll need to find the embed code element. If you're having trouble spotting it right away, don't worry, just click on Show All Elements at the bottom of the menu. This will expand your options and reveal all available elements you can use. After you've located the embed code element, simply drag it into your website where you want your Instagram feed to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes Weebly incredibly user-friendly. Once you've placed the element on your page, click on it to activate its settings. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. Look for and click on Edit Custom HTML. This is where the magic happens. A text box will open up, and this is where you'll paste your embedded code. Simply paste the Instagram feed code you prepared earlier into this box. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Instagram feed into your Weebly website. Your visitors can now see your latest Instagram posts right on your site, creating a more dynamic and engaging user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.